Okay, so I kind of got everything open and put it on the table. So Garrett turbo right here, Ptuning turbo manifold, downpipe. This is like a dumb tube for the wastegate. Okay, heat shield. I believe this is engine air filter. I believe that's what it are. It made by. It does have a P, so is that for P tuning? But the clamp. Where did I see? Somehow I saw engine on here. Yeah, there it is. The intercooler. Little messy welder, but other than that, it looks good. Polish intercooler piping, spall fans. So these are all the intercooler pipings. This is the mounting brackets and hardware for the intercooler. I forgot what this one is. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Should have a label somewhere, but some mounting hardware stuff. Let's see what it say. Oh, motor mounts, motor mount and motor mount heat shields and so on. Okay, let's see. So this is the box where all the intercooler piping came in. Very well packaged. There's a lot of packing material in between. This box is all the more mounting hardware, hoses, wastegate, and blow-off valve, wiring harness. I believe these are for the radiator fan relay kit, and then we have oil pump relay wiring kit, all hoses and clamps for the intercooler, all the hose clamp for the intercooler, and then I believe one more box. This box right here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so look like the fuel pump. This looked like the manual boost controller. I believe that's what it is. Let's see what it looked like inside. Yep, that's what it looked like. Looked like a T for a manual boost controller. Yep. And the spark plug. So look like they just have to send me some wiring for the wiring, and the ejectors are missing. So that's what they have to send me. There's another piece that's missing. I haven't seen. Is the exhaust adapter, because I paid for an exhaust adapter to have the exhaust connected to this system. I wonder where that piece is. But look like overall, this piece right here is the oil pump, the oil scavenging pump. Okay. I don't see the exhaust adapter. Okay, well, I'm gonna give them a call.